Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to get valid public watch hours. To begin, understand that only public videos contribute to your watch time goal. This means private, unlisted, or deleted content, along with Shorts feed views, do not count. However, live streams can contribute if you save them as public videos. Focus on creating original, engaging content that truly captures and holds your audience's attention for longer durations. This foundational step is crucial for accumulating those essential 4,000 hours. A strong content strategy is key to increasing your valid watch hours. Always aim for high-quality production, ensuring clear audio and visuals. Crafting eye-catching thumbnails and descriptive titles will draw viewers in. Consistency in your upload schedule helps build a loyal audience who know when to expect new content. Remember to actively engage with your community through comments and posts, fostering a dedicated viewership. Effective promotion significantly boosts your watch time. Share your videos widely across social media platforms to expand your reach. Collaborating with other creators can introduce your content to entirely new audiences. On-platform tools like end screens and cards are excellent for guiding viewers to watch more of your videos. Additionally, optimize your video descriptions and tags to improve search engine visibility, helping new viewers discover your content. Monitoring your progress through analytics is vital for sustained growth. Regularly review your channel's data to understand how viewers interact with your content. Identify which videos perform best and analyze why, then apply those insights to future creations. Pay close attention to audience retention graphs to pinpoint exactly where viewers might be losing interest. Use these valuable data insights to continuously refine and improve your content strategy.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.